clean that with the acid that we used to clean. This here adjusts the needle valve because there's no throttle body in this. Basically, you adjust it to get the highest RPM using mixture control.
Wow, so you're basically
full throttle the whole time.
Adjusting the jet in and out?
Yep, that's just moving that jet in and out. But then there's also some weird ball bearings in here that when more air is coming in, they lift up and add another mix of air, I guess. The float's in here. So we have a lot to learn.
Yeah, we heard from the previous
Thanks, Martin. Did the shop manufacture this copper tank?
Yeah, we did. It's made of 2 French cream whipping bowls and a copper sleeve. And the pure copper bowls are actually made in France, so it's very fitting.
And this is the steering mechanism?
Your childs would be proud.
Wow.
Yeah, this doesn't actually turn, it's just to hold on to, so you've got
Right.
you get a pitch.
Yeah.
And roll. This plane was the first to have traditional controls. So you've got a regular joystick, rudder pedals, unlike the Wright brothers that had all kinds of weird levers. This is what was adopted for every plane after this, basically.
just running too close to the steer.
When this is in the normal position, it cranks it just fine.